Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your tagged account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your tagged application. Tap on three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on settings icon on the top. Now onto this account section, you can see cancel account on the third option. Tap on cancel account. And if you are sure about deleting your account, tap on continue cancellation. Here you need to select a reason for deleting your account. I am going to select a random one. Tap on confirm. So that is how you can easily delete your tagged account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.